HDFC Bank, the way it sprung back after the Q4 business updates yesterday, contributing maximum of the gains on the Nifty, is bottom finally in place? Is the underperformance done and dusted? Is HDFC Bank now on course for higher returns and finally coming out of that bottom leg?
So, in my opinion, I think the worst is probably over as far as price action is concerned for the bank. The update has been very, very encouraging, specifically in terms of the higher single digit deposit growth that we probably seen, because that was one of the sore point that the bank was going through. The other element in terms of the entire merger dynamics that have been taking place onto their balance sheet, HDFC obviously has low cost element in terms of deposits that they probably have. And therefore, I think the trajectory in terms of how NIMs and spreads will move, the expectations in terms of revenue synergies building in, and obviously, I think as cost synergies start building onto the balance sheet as well, a large expectation of the market in terms of a steady improvement in terms of core parameters for the banking structure as a whole, including the mortgage business taken from HDFC, should start playing in the right direction. So I think the quarterly update is in the right direction. The sustainability factor is something that the street will now look out for. So you will get a good reaction onto the stock like you saw yesterday as well. But in my opinion, still, I think at O'Neill and Markets Mid India, we still feel that the stock is probably stuck in a range. Maybe a quarter's numbers after this, the commentary, and one more quarter will definitely give it the re-rating that it probably requires. But it has to come out of this range, break out of that key pivot level that we are looking at. But the worst is probably over, in my opinion, as far as price is concerned.
Okay, let me bring in Kiran also to give us that technical view on HDFC Bank as well after yesterday's bounce. What are the charts really telling you, Kiran, on HDFC Bank?
Seems to that 1390 and 1400 is a very good cluster support, and on risk reward point of view also HDFC Bank was a good buy at that particular level. Now considering the current market price chart, we are seeing that HDFC Bank has given a breakout from its ascending triangle pattern at level of 1470. Now considering that particular ascending triangle pattern, there are chances that we can see price target towards 1560, 1570. At current juncture, we have seen yesterday prices has closed above its 100 days moving days average after 3 months. So it is also a considerable, a very good sign. So any dip towards 1500 would be the good buy. We would like to keep a aggressive stop loss of 1490. And considering that this daily price chart, there are chances first target of 1560. And once 1560 cross, and then there are chances that on daily price chart we are seeing a one gap towards 1600. So there are chances we can see price target of 1600. So if anyone is okay to give a time frame of 2 to 3 months, they can definitely hold HDFC Bank or any dips towards 1500 would be the good buy with the strict stop loss of 1490.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.